When you enter the energy field of someone consumed by victimhood, you will feel it. A spiritual warrior must learn this early. Not everyone deserves access to your field. Avoid negative people at all costs, not out of fear, but out of clarity. There are those who carry storms inside them, and they are not looking to heal. They are looking for someone to drag into their storm. Don't let it be you. When you enter the energy field of someone consumed by victimhood, you will feel it. A drain, a fog, a heaviness. Your own clarity starts to blur. Your breath shortens. Your power starts leaking drop by drop into someone else's drama. So, this is not compassion. This is sabotage, because negativity spreads. Victimhood infects. And if you are not fiercely conscious, you begin to shrink to fit their story. You are not here to be their emotional dumping ground. You are not a sponge. You are a sword. So, how do you avoid them? Well, you sharpen your awareness. You trust your gut. You learn to say no without guilt. You walk away when your spirit whispers, "This is not for you." Set boundaries that are strong and silent. You don't need to explain. You need to explain yourself to those who live in blame. Let them be uncomfortable. Let them gossip. You were not born to play small for anyone else's comfort. The warrior protects his energy field like sacred ground, because it is. Surround yourself with those who lift, not drain. Those who inspire, not infect. Those who speak from vision, not victimhood. This is the warrior's discipline, and it is not always easy. But every time you choose it, you rise. Protect your peace, honor your frequency, and walk away from anything that does not match the power you came here to embody. This is the way of the spiritual warrior. Clear, unapologetic, uncompromising. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.